Hey guys, I'm Alex Schmidt. Welcome back to Final Fantasy. Starting off with the battle. I don't have more fire, so I'm gonna use Jaya. Dia? Oh, fuck no. Red Mage, you just made this battle so much better. Orion, sorry, forgot your name for a second. Well, like I didn't look down. I had such a quick time because I wasn't paying attention to my stopwatch earlier. But like, I had like 10 seconds before I had to stop the video. What I said before I did end the video was, I actually do know where to go, it's just I haven't really explored this cave to its fullest yet, which I'm going to try to do. Which is probably a bad idea. Just so you guys know, this cave is fucking huge. And there's fucking secrets everywhere. It's insane. Dead. I like how it's just like one tiny little like rainbow laser beam thing, and it just kills everything. Sorry, it kills everything undead. It's really hard to explore this cave though, because there's a lot of fucking monsters that are tough. I already know it's not gonna fucking kill him immediately. Die. I'll take your gil. Okay, let me just like think about something real quick, because I am pretty sure that if you even tried to loot a corpse, it would already start smelling before you even touched it. Or something like that. Like, how the no. I wouldn't dare do that. She's probably stinky. Probably has, like, feels really weird. I don't know. Of course he missed. pretty sure I haven't been in this cave yet. Hey, they may seem like they're open, but I'm gonna check them anyway. Like, can I get a repel? You know, like in Pokemon's? Like that could be useful. Get dead. I'm still checking you. Have I said that I love the fucking soundtrack to this game yet? No. Wait. Get the ghosty ghouls. Because they won't die from the Dia immediately. Bloodbones. Sounds like a fun time. Fuck. That scared me. I actually haven't seen a Bloodbones before. Has a lot of magic defense. Alright. It's fucking worth it, though. Minotaur? Mini Minotaur? Minotaur time and a Minotaur time. I hate myself because I fucking moved the camera so much. Yes, magic. You have Cure 1, I don't need Cure 1, I need Cure 2. Did I not buy... Oh, I didn't buy Cure 2. I are stupid. Okay, so I'll use your Cure and shit. Everybody gets healed. Thank you, Orion. And here's where shit gets difficult. Come on, guys. We can do this. I have faith. Yeah. Sweet, level ups. This is looking good. This is looking good. Because I can possibly paralyze. What did I say? Get ripped. That's what I'm talking about. Here's an estimate. I'm coming out with $7,000. Graves is. Are they undead? I think so. They're probably not undead. Didn't think so. You guys are such dick bags. Suck a dick. That's about all the time I have for now, guys. Fuck. Leave a like, comment, favorite if you did enjoy. Share with your friends if you want to. I'm Atlas Schmidt, signing off.